As tricky as it is to find the right lingerie for you, it can be equally daunting to maintain their shape and quality for a long time. In this video, we're going to list down a fail-safe guide on how to wash, dry, fold, and store your lingerie. Whether your everyday pick is an underwired or a classic t-shirt bra, it's super important that it retains its shape to give you ample support. The first step is to make sure you hand wash your bra. Soak your bra in lukewarm water with detergent for at least 30 minutes before washing it. Using a toothbrush to gently clean your bra instead of a clothes brush will prevent pilling. Finish up by rinsing the bra in cool water to get rid of the detergent. Twisting or squeezing it can make your cups lose their shape or twist your underwire, only making your bra uncomfortable. In case of a machine wash, you can place your bras hooked up in a cloth bag before tossing them in for a wash. This will give you an easy yet hassle-free wash without damaging your bra. To dry your bra over a clothesline, hang it over from the center and clip it. Hanging a bra by its straps can make the fabric loose and the cups distorted. One of the easiest ways to store bras is to stack them neatly together, one after the other. For a space-saving and travel-friendly way, here's a folding trick. Cross the two cups of your bra over each other and fold the bra strap inwards. Avoid folding the two cups in together to store them. This will only damage the shape of your cups and cut down the life of your bra. Sports bras have a lot more stretch than a normal bra, and so they tend to wear out more often than your regular bras. So the best way to wash sports bras is to soak them in lukewarm or cold water before rinsing it off and flat drying the same. To fold your sports bras right, fold in the straps backwards in the center and follow it up by folding the two sides of the bra in. This will not only save you some gym bag space, but also keep your bra good as new. To fold your briefs right, start by folding the center upwards neatly. Next, fold the two sides in as well and store away. In case of a thong, flip it to the back and fold it inwards at the center. Now, similar to your briefs, you can fold the other two sides in for concise storage. Now you know the best way and some helpful tips to maintain and keep your lingerie safe. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.